Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nancy. Kindly subscribe, share and like my videos, and please also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. In today's class, I would like to show you how to make a very simple wrap skirt, which is quite different from the previous tutorial we did on a wrap skirt. With this method I used here, you'll be able to tie your wrap skirts in different ways. This is a silk fabric, and the amount of the fabric I used to make this skirt is 1 yard. This is the right side of the fabric. To know the amount of fabric you need to achieve this wrap skirt, you have to work with your hip circumference. Our hip circumference is 36 inches. I'll place my tape on the width of the fabric to measure 36 inches. But because it's a wrap skirt and you need it to cover the waist and the hip properly, I'm also going to add about 7 inches extra to this 36 inches, and that will be 44 inches altogether. This simply means that the width of the fabric I'm working with is 44 inches wide. Now for the length of the skirt, you can decide to make yours short or long, but I'll be using a length of 23 inches, which is without the waistband and the frills included. So this means that by the time I had the waistband and the frills, it will be about 28 inches altogether. If you want your skirt to be shorter or longer than mine, this is the stage in which you need to add to the length or reduce the length of the fabric. This wrap skirt can be folded in 2 different ways. Folding it this way means that the right side of the skirt will be on top the left side of the skirt when worn. And folding it this opposite way means that the left side of the skirt will be on top of the right side of the skirt when worn. But since I want the right side of the skirt to be on top of the left side of the skirt, I'll fold it this way. This upper part will be the waistline of the skirt to which the band will be attached, while this down part will be the hem of the skirt to which the frills will be attached. From the waistline downwards, I'll mark 10 inches. On the hem line, I'll mark 8 inches from the side. The next step is to connect these 2 points together to form a curve. So this tutorial is quite different from the wrap skirt tutorial I did previously, and I also dropped the link to the previous wrap skirt tutorial in the description box in case you missed the tutorial. So remember that this fabric is folded into 2. Instead of cutting out this side completely, I'll be cutting out just a single piece. Obviously, just one side of the fabric is curved while the other side is straight. The next step is to take the measurements of the edges, excluding the waistline. Here I have 60 inches. Now I'll place the beginning of the tape on that 60 inches to mark the other measurements left. And this is 24 inches left. Now I will add the 6 inches to the 24 inches, and that will be 84 inches altogether. To calculate the width of the strap you need to make the frills for this skirt, you have to multiply 84 inches by 2, which is 168 inches. The width of the strap should be 168 inches wide and 5 inches long. You can actually make the length of the strap longer than 5 inches, but I want mine to be exactly 5 inches. Now I'll show you how to secure the hem of the strap. First of all, you have to fold the side of the strap in by half an inch and further folding it in by half an inch. Then you secure it. The next step is to fold the hem itself by half an inch and further folding it in by half an inch. So you are going to fold this all through till you get to the other end of the strap. The next step is to pleat the straps on the edges of the skirt to create the frills. Now I'll take the skirt to the sewing machine to attach these frills on the edges of the skirt by half an inch. Now I'll take the skirt to the overlocking machine to whip this joining. After overlocking, you can see how very neat the joining is. The next step is to take the measurements of the waistline. The waist circumference of the skirt is 44 inches, but we need extra 2 belts at the sides. So I'll be making a belt of 15 inches on the right side as shown. And also 15 inches at the other side of the waist. The addition of the two belts is 30 inches. I'm going to add this to the waist circumference, which is 44, and altogether that will be 74 inches. So this belt is 74 inches wide and 5 inches long. The next step is to fold the skirt into two to notch the center. So I'll place the center of the belt on the center of the skirt as shown to pin the waistline. After pinning, I'll take the skirt to the sewing machine to secure the waistline by half an inch. The final step is to secure the waistband. Please take a close look of how I'm about to secure the waistband so it looks very neat and professional. So I'm going to keep pinning till I get to the other end of the belt. After I have pinned the band properly, I'll take this to the sewing machine to secure the edge of the band by half an inch. Alright guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You should give it a try, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, share and like my videos, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And if you would like to watch a similar tutorial on how I made a wrap skirt, kindly click the link in the description box below.